It's chilly out here today.
It is a little cold. What's today's mission?
Well, after 2 days of massive rain here in Arizona where we're at, we're going to try to go on this trail. It's called the Sacred Area. It's Christmas Tree Pass is the name of the road we came in on.
Grapevine Canyon.
Yes, and Grapevine Canyon is the place that we're going to. Christmas Tree Road all the way through in Grapevine Canyon. Once we turned on that, Grapevine Canyon had a couple ruts, but everything else was great, easy road. We're going to go see Petroglyphs, and they say that after big rain, sometimes there's a waterfall at the end of all of this, so we're going to go check it out and see if there really is.
Pretty excited about that. Yeah, it's a sacred area because of the petroglyphs here. I saw online that there's supposed to be some really awesome examples here. It is super chilly today, and you do have to be careful. So this is not, and it tells you here, to travel at your own risk because we are in a canyon. So flash floods are definitely a danger. And we're also...
But we love a little danger.
We love a little danger. Yeah, we do. And so, yeah, the forecast, she said it's been super rainy here. And it finally stopped raining, this morning?
Late this morning.
Yeah, late this morning. Even the road here, so Christmas Tree Pass that she mentioned, it's off of 68, just outside of Laughlin, Nevada. That's where we're at. And I mean, the road was pretty, it looked like it took on a lot of water, huh?
Yeah, it did, for sure. It's weird how everything just dries up so fast here, though.
Yeah, it does in the desert. We've noticed dry up very fast.
I'm not sure that the best thing is going to work out. It feels like she's always behind me instead of in front of me now.
Well, it just takes some getting used to.
But I want to have this kind of vest on her. It has a really quick little handle. If a coyote or something were to come. She is a small dog. Reach down and grab the handle really easy.
Oh, they're having so many worries. It's the middle of the day.
You never know.
But anyways, oh, look at those big old rocks over there. So from the parking lot, all we did basically was walk through this big, huge wash all the way up. Very easy little hike, and I don't really know if we're on the actual trail. Do you?
I'm trying to figure out if there is an actual trail.
It seems like there's little...
I see a sign up there.
I see a little marker. Yay, we're going the right direction. There is little offshoots. I don't know if that's to different examples of petroglyphs, but I believe I see some up ahead. Maybe it's my eyes playing tricks on me. I'm not sure. Oh no, that is some good ones. Mom, do you see those? Okay, dark. The pile of rocks to the right. The dark rock, the darkest rock.
Yeah.
That starts on top of the light pile.
Yeah.
Big round one. Look at all the etchings.
Oh wow.
We view in or zoom in for viewers.
That's cool. That's probably why the marker's there.
So I've just realized how amazing these examples are, and they're everywhere. And we've hardly walked at all, and this is such an easy little hike. I'm going to try to walk you up here to see a better view. Hey, Ma, will you hold that? And let me walk up and see if oh my goodness. I mean, they're beautiful, within arm's reach, which of course we're not going to touch. However, what does it say on that sign? Am I allowed to walk up here, just not touch it, right?
Help protect rock art sites. Preserve the ideas and beliefs. They are irreplaceable.
Like, I'm not going to touch it, but...
Enjoy the images by viewing, sketching, or photographing. Don't talk.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm just coming up to get close. I don't. Oh, I'm there. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Amazing. I don't know if they're all really old is the thing.
Right.
Because I heard that a lot of people come off and,
And drawn.
drawn and stuff like that.
So yeah, some of them probably mixed in.
Yeah.
Like you can tell some of the ones like on this one here. Like this one right here where it's real washed out and faded.
Yeah.
Like I think those would probably be originals.
In there too. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So, but I can see like some of them, yeah, like some of, I don't know. I can't tell. I'm not an expert, but they're beautiful either way. You want to say hi for our YouTube channel?
What's that?
Say hi for our YouTube channel.
YouTube channel?
Yeah, we do. So yeah, and here's some more examples on that back side of what I was just on. And try to get these ones I see up on the hill. Well, that's as good as I can get it for you guys. You can see like the ground is collapsing under my feet. Hello. The ground from all the water that we had for days is just like making the ground collapse under my feet, and it's making me nervous to walk too far up there. But hopefully you guys could see those on the video. So I'm gonna follow my footprints so I don't get trapped and twist my ankle like a dummy. Say what now? And I don't feel super comfortable and confident messing around on these rocks too much because I don't want to accidentally touch something. Say what? That's what I'm walking towards right now. I found a hole. I see a hole. I have to know what's in it. Maybe nothing. We're gonna find out. I think it is just that. A hole. Let's see. Can I walk on this ground? Yes. So far, so good. And it's not really a hole. I'd sleep in there though if I was an animal. No. Mom? Hi. I made it to the hole. Nothing. Nothing. Disappointing. Okay, back down we go. Ooh. Definitely look at how where all the rain is just breaking all of this. I mean, it rained almost, I believe, 3/4 of an inch yesterday in hardly any time. So That was just the end of it. It's actually been raining for days though, and then rained that much on top. Hello down there.
I don't know if there's any more trail. That doesn't go nowhere. You have to climb over the rock. I think that's what he was saying too.
Look at how crazy those rocks are. It's like sandstone formations holding up rock. Do you see it on the side of the hill? And there's big caverns in the sandstone, and it's still holding up all that rock. It just blows my mind that nature's architecture is insane to me. You can see a bunch more here on this rock. And here you can see a bunch more. I mean, they're everywhere. Try to zoom in again for you. I see you made it up the hill. I don't know that this is actually part of the trail, but I think that we can wander.
It goes around the ridge and back over there. It's where we saw the people up on the top there when we came in.
Yeah.
We already walked the other side. We might as well. See what's over here.
Something just went running out of that rock. Don't know where it went. Like it ran out and then dipped back down the other side. It looked, I don't know. Can't tell what it was. But anyway, I don't know that this is even part of the trail at all, but there's definitely stuff back here as far as rock formations. And there are what appear to be some more petroglyphs up here. Ooh, I like it. So, way back there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that is the trailhead parking area way back there. We have ventured off to a little trail off to the right. And I love it. I don't know about you. When I see two monumental stones on each side of a path, it says enter to me. It says come in. Check me out. Cool things await. Don't you think?
Sure.
I think so. So I shall enter, I say. Oh yeah. There was definitely some water flowing through here yesterday. Carving out the landscape. And look, it just leaves some more rocks, like a grand entrance on the side of the canyon. Very cool. I like it. What do you think? What do you think, woohoo? Gizmo! It's because you leave too much slack on a leash. If you don't leave as much slack, she can't step over it. That's what I do. I was just telling you. Then her little paws have room to strut. Then her paws have room to strut. I don't know, but we're not going to go back here too far. This isn't a trail. We're like, it stops right here, I think. Yeah, just stay right there with the dog for a minute. But how cool. I love it. It's beautiful. And that appears to be the end. I'll walk just another second. I mean, it's not the end, but Mom and Gizmo and I are not rock climbing today. It's not on the agenda. Hello. All right, so that was cool. I mean, you never know what you'll find when you venture off the main path. Of course, I recommend being very careful and knowing how to get back.
Rock and sand.
Yeah, it's all carved out. It's all carved out by water.
Yep.
And it did a good job shaping a little more over the last couple days. And that is our tour of Grapevine Canyon. We read online after a good rain that there was supposed to be a waterfall.
At the end. I'm not climbing over rocks to see if there is a waterfall.
If there is one. Yeah, disappointing. And I mean, it rained like crazy. So if there was going to be a waterfall, it would definitely be today. So I'm not sure about all that I read online. But a beautiful hike. Very cool. Awesome ancient history. As always, make sure you do what, Woohoo Wanda?
Please, I beg of you, like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for our next videos. Thanks, guys.